Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today's video is on equal roots or coincident roots of quadratic equation. The other name of equal roots is coincident roots. Quadratic equation is given by ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where the coefficient of x square, that is a, is never equal to 0. The condition for equal roots is discriminant is equal to 0, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, so b square is equal to 4ac. This is the condition for equal roots. First question is, if ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 has equal roots, find the value of c. First of all, compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The value of capital A is small a, capital B small b, and capital C is small c. For equal roots, condition is b square is equal to 4ac. Now substitute values. B square is equal to 4ac. Bring 4a in the denominator. So the value of c is b square by 4a. Second question is, find value of p for which this equation has equal roots. Compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c. The value of a is 4, the value of b is p, and the value of c is 3. Now apply the condition for equal roots. B square is equal to 4ac. Now substitute values. On taking square root, whenever we take square root, here comes two values of, that is plus and minus. So the answer is 4 root 3. The value of p is plus minus 4 root 3. Third question, find value of p for which this equation has equal roots. Comparing, you get the value of a is p, the value of b is minus 2 root 5p, and the constant c is 15. Now apply the condition for equal root. For equal roots, b square is equal to 4ac. Now substitute values. Minus 2 square is 4 into 5. P square 4 into p into 15. Cancel 4, 5, 3. You can cancel out constants but not variables. Take p common, p minus 3. So the values are 0 and 3. Values are 0 and 3. Since if p is 0, so a will be equal to 0, but a will never be equal to 0. So the answer is just 3. For equal roots, the value of p is 3. On comparing this equation with quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get the value of a is 9, value of b 3k, and constant 4. Now apply condition for equal roots, that is b square is equal to 4ac. Substitute values. 3 square 9, k square, 4 into 9 into 4, cancel out. Whenever you take square root, apply plus minus. So the value of k is plus minus 4. Find m for which this equation has equal roots. The given equation is First of all, multiply it. Mx square minus 7 mx plus 49 is equal to 0. On comparing, we get the value of a is m, the value of b is minus 7m, and constant c is 49. Now apply the condition for equal roots. For equal roots, condition is b square is equal to 4ac. Substitute values. Minus 7 square is 49. Cancel 49 and 49. You can cancel out constant but not variables. Collect 4m on LHS. Take m common. So the values are m is equal to 0 and m is equal to 4. If m is equal to 0, then a will be 0, but we have a not equal to 0, so the value of m is 4. Now sixth question is, find m for which equation this has coincident roots. Coincident means equal roots. First of all, compare this equation with quadratic equation. We get the value of a is 1, the value of b is minus 2 plus m, constant c is given by minus m square minus 4m minus 4. Now apply the condition for equal roots or coincident roots. Condition is b square is equal to 4ac. Now substitute values. Minus square, that is plus, minus 4m square, minus 16m and minus 16. Open the square by applying identity. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Apply this identity. Now 2 square is 4, m square plus 4m. Collect all on LHS. 4m square plus 16m plus 16. M square plus 4m square is 5m square. 4m plus 16m is 20m. 4 plus 16 is 20. Take 5 common. M square plus 4m plus 4, 0 by 5 is 0. Now this is the formula of m square plus twice square plus 2 into m into 2, that is, apply this identity, a square plus 2ab plus b square will be a plus b whole square. It will be m plus 2 whole square. On taking square root, the value of m plus 2 is 0. M plus 2 is equal to 0. The value of m will be minus 2. Find the value of k for which this equation has equal roots. On comparing, we get the value of a is k, the value of b is 4 and constant is 1. Now apply the condition for equal roots. B square is equal to 4ac. Substitute values of a and c. 4 square is 16. The value of k is 4. Now 8th question is, find k for which this equation has equal roots. First of all, compare. The value of a is k minus 12. The value of b is twice k minus 12 and the value of c is 12. For equal roots, b square is equal to 4ac. Now substitute values. Square is given by 4. cancel 4 and 4, collect all the terms on one side, take k minus 12 common, k minus 12 minus 12, k minus 12 and k minus 24. So the two values of k are 12 and 24. Neglect 12 because on putting 12 the value of a is getting to be 0. So the answer of k is 24. Now ninth question is find k for which equation this has equal roots. Compare the value of a is 1, the value of b is minus 2k and the value of c is 7k minus 12. Now apply the condition for equal roots, that is b square is equal to 4ac. Substitute the values. Minus 2 square is 4. Cancel 4 and collect all the terms in the LHS. Now apply the splitting the middle term. The value of the factors of 12 are 3 and 4 and the sum of 3 and 4 is 7. Minus 3k minus 4k plus 12, k minus 3, k minus 3 minus 4, k minus 3 and k minus 4. So the values of k are 3 and 4. This is the answer. For what value of k this equation is a perfect square? The equation will be a perfect square if it has equal roots. So first of all compare the value of a is 4 minus k, the value of b 2k plus 4, take 2 common, that will be twice k plus 2, the value of c 8k plus 1. For perfect square or for equal roots the condition is b square is equal to 4ac. Now substitute values. The square of 2 is 4. Now multiply both of them. 4 into 8k, 32k. 4 into 1, 4. Minus 8k square. K into 1, that is k. Cancel 4 and 4. Apply the identity here. A plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now apply identity. It will be k square plus 4 plus 4k. 32k minus k will be 31k plus 4 minus 8k square. Collect all the terms on LHS. Minus 31k minus 4 and minus 8k square plus 8k square. 4 and 4 cancel out. K square plus 8k square will be 9k square. 4k minus 31k will be minus 27k. Take 9k common. It will be k minus 3. It is 0 by 9, that is 0. Equate each of them to 0. So the values are 0 or 3. Next question is for what value of k this equation has equal roots. First of all arrange this equation, multiply it 4kx, k into k minus 1 plus 2. Now on comparing we get the value of a is 1, the value of b will be coefficient of x, that is 4k, and the constant term is k minus 1 plus 2, that is k square minus k plus 2. Now apply the condition for equal roots, that is b square is equal to 4ac. Now substitute values. 4 square will be 16 and k square 4 cancel out. Collect all terms on one side. K square minus k square plus k minus 2. Solve it. 3k square plus k minus 2. Make factors. 3k minus 2k. Take 3k common. K plus 1 minus 2. K plus 1. K plus 1 common and 3k minus 2. So the value of k will be minus 1 and 2 by 3. These are the answers of k. Next question is find p so that this equation has equal roots. First of all, multiply it. X into x, x square minus 3p x plus 9 is equal to 0. Then compare it. We get the value of a is p, b is minus 3p and the constant is 9. Now apply the condition for equal roots, that is b square is equal to 4ac. Substitute values. The value of minus 3 square will be 9p square. 4 into p into 9. Cancel out 9 and 9. Collect all terms on one side. Take p common. So the two values are 0 and 4. Neglect 0. So the answer is 4. Now next question is find k if equation this has equal roots. First of all, compare. The value of a is k minus 4, the value of b 2k minus 4 and constant is given by 2. Apply the condition for equal roots. B square is equal to 4ac. Twice k minus 4 square. Substitute values. 2 square is given by 4. K minus 4 whole square. Cancel out. Collect all the terms on one side. LHS. Take k minus 4 common. K minus 4 minus 2. K minus 6. So the value of k will be 4 and 6. On substituting 4, the value of k minus 4, that is a, is 0. So neglect 4 and answer will be k is equal to 6. Next question is find p if equation this has coincident root. First of all, compare and get the values of a, b and c. Coincident roots, condition is b square is equal to 4ac. Now substitute values. 1 plus p and 1 plus p. 2 square is 4. 1 plus p will be 1 plus p whole square. Cancel out. Now apply identity. X plus y whole square is given by x square plus y square plus 2xy. 1 plus 4p square plus 4p is equal to 1 plus p square plus 2p. Collect all terms on one side on LHS. Cancel out 1 and 1. Cancel 1 and 1. 4p square minus p square will be 3p square. 4p minus 2p, it will be 2p. Take p common. 3p plus 2. Equate both of them to 0. Minus 2. So the value of p will be minus 2 by 3 or p is equal to 0. Find k if equation this has equal roots. Kx square plus 1 minus 2 k minus 1x plus x square is equal to 0. First of all, take x square common. we get the value k plus 1 minus 2 k minus 1 x plus 1. Now compare the coefficient of x square is a, the value of b is minus 2 k minus 1 and constant c is 1. Now apply the condition for equal roots. Substitute values. Minus 2 square is 4. Cancel out 4. Apply the identity. A minus b square is given by a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now apply identity. K square plus 1 minus 2k. Collect all terms on one side. Cancel 1 and 1. Minus 2k minus k will be 3k. Take k common. Equate both of them to 0. So the answers are k is equal to 0 and k is equal to 3. Now next question is find k for which this equation has equal roots. First of all compare and write the values of a, b and c. Apply condition for equal roots. Substitute the values. 2 square is given by 4. Cancel 4 on both sides. Collect all terms in LHS. Take k minus 5 common. Minus 5 minus 2 will be minus 7. Equate both of them to 0. So the values of k are 5 and 7. Neglect 5. On putting k 5, it will be 5 minus 5 0. But the coefficient of x square a is never equal to 0. So the answer is k is equal to 7. Now the question is find k for which this equation has equal roots. First of all multiply it. Kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. Then compare and write the values of a, b and c. For equal roots condition is b square is equal to 4ac. Substitute values. Minus 2 square is 4 k square. Cancel 4. Collect all terms on one side. Take k common. You get the two values of k 0 and 6. Neglect 0. So the value of k is 6. Find p if equation has equal roots. Compare the value of a is p, the value of b is minus 2p plus 1, constant is p. Apply the condition for equal roots. B square is equal to 4ac minus 2p plus 1 whole square 4p into p minus square is plus 2p plus 1 whole square. Apply the identity. 4p square plus 1 plus 4p minus 4p square. Cancel out. 4p is equal to minus 1. So the value of p is minus 1 by 4. Now next find p if equation this has equal roots. First of all compare and write the values of a, b and c. For equal roots condition b square is equal to 4ac. Now substitute values. The square of minus 2 is 4. 4 into 7, 3 plus 2p. Cancel out 4 and 4. Open the square. Apply the identity. A plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. 1 plus 9p square plus 6p is equal to 21 plus 14p. Now collect all terms on one side on LHS. Minus 21 minus 14p. 9p square. 6p minus 14p will be minus 8p. 1 minus 21 will be minus 20. Now apply splitting the middle term. Multiply 9 and 20. It will be 180. So make the factors of 180, that is 18 and 10. And the difference is 8. Whenever there is minus, apply bracket. 18p minus 10p. Now open the bracket, sign changes. Minus 18p minus minus plus. Take 9p common. P minus 2. Write the same term here. 10 common. P minus 2. 9p plus 10. Equate both of them to 0. The answer is p is equal to 2 and the value of p is minus 10 by 9. Now next question is find m if equation this has equal roots. Compare and write values. The value of a is 2m. The value of b is minus 2, 1 plus 2m. And the constant is 3 plus 2m. For equal roots, apply the condition b square is equal to 4ac. Now substitute the values. Minus 2 square is 4. 4, 2m and 3 plus 2m. Cancel 4 on both sides. Apply the identity. 1 plus 4m square plus 4m is equal to, multiply them, 6m plus 4m square. Collect all terms on one side. Cancel them. 4m square minus 4m square. 1 minus 2m. One minus 2m is equal to 0. So the value of 1 is 2m. Bring 2 in the denominator. So the value of m is equal to 1 by 2. Next question is find k for which this equation has equal roots. First of all, arrange this equation. Take x, 2 and 2 common. 2 common and x common. The coefficient left is minus k plus 1. So on comparing, we get the value of a is k plus 1. The value of b is 2 minus k plus 1, or write it as 2, 1 minus k, and the constant is 1. Apply the condition for equal roots. B square is equal to 4ac. Substitute value of a and c. The value of 2 square 4. Cancel 4 on both sides. Now apply identity. A minus b square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. 1 plus k square minus 2k. Collect all terms on one side. Minus k minus 1. 1 and 1 minus. Minus 2k minus k will be minus 3k. Take k common. K minus 3. Equate them to 0. The value of k will be 0 and 3. Next question is find m for which this equation has equal roots. Compare and write the values of a, b and c. Apply the condition for equal roots. B square is equal to 4ac. 2 square, the value of 2 square is 4. Cancel. On taking square root, the value of m is plus minus 1. Now try this question and answer it in the comment section given below. If you like the video, give a thumbs up, subscribe my channel, share videos with your friends. Bye bye.